Hello friends, welcome to Fusion Knowledge. We all know Indian pharmaceutical company export 30 to 40% generic drugs to the US market. So it is necessary to understand the US FDA terminology. So today we are going to focus mainly on the what is Form 482, Form 483, Form 484, what is EIR and different types of inspection reports and warning letters. Be with me. First terminology, what is 482? Notice of inspection form. So 482 is nothing but it is a notice which is being given by the FDA to a company which they are going to inspect. In this form, the detail is mentioned that when and at what time and who the inspector will inspect the firm. FDA inspector. The inspector may inspect the facility, review the documentation system, online records, visit the production process area, may interview the operator during operation activity, and may collect samples for the further investigation. What is Form 483? Inspectional observational form. So during inspection, what are the observations found by the inspector? They mention that observation in the one form. That form is nothing but the 483. So the observations are being listed in the descending order of importance. What is 484? Receipt of sample forms. So during inspection, if inspector collected some samples, so it is mandatory to give the receipt of that sample collected by the inspectors. The FDA inspector will give a receipt of the sample to the plant head, and that receipt is nothing but the Form 484. Many times we heard the term EIR. So what is EIR? EIR is nothing but the establishment inspection report. All the inspection related documents are being collected like Form 483, Form 484 or exhibits like photographs, samples. Collectively all documents are being filled in a particular form, and this report is called as EIR. There are different types of EIR. NAI, no action indicated. OAI, official action indicated. VAI, voluntary action indicated. So in next slide we will briefly discuss about all these three types of the EIR reports. So what is mean by NAI? So during operation no objectionable condition was found or the condition not required any regulatory action. The EIR report will be classified as NAI, that is no action indicated. Next, VAI, voluntary action indicated. Objectionable conditions or practices were found, but the agency is not prepared to take or recommend any administrative or regulatory action. Next is OAI, that is official action indicated. OAI just opposite to the NAI. When EIR is classified as OAI, then the regulatory actions are recommended. OAI may result in warning letter or re-inspection of the facility. So interesting topic, warning letter. After submission of the EIR report, observations are reviewed by the higher FDA officials and confirm the serious violations. If the higher officials found manufacturer has significantly violated the FDA regulations, the FDA notifies the manufacturer about the violations. This notification is often in the form of a warning letter. The site has to respond to the warning letters in the writing within the 15 days. So here we are. So today we discussed about the Form 482 Notice of Inspection Form, Form 483 Inspectional Observation Form, Form 484 Receipt of the Sample Form, EIR means Establishment Inspection Report, NAI no action indicated, VAI voluntary action indicated, OAI official action indicated, and warning letter means the escalation to the 483 observations. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Press the bell icon and subscribe to the Fusion Knowledge. Thank you.